people, welcome to this new channel that I just made. It is a beautiful day as you can see, and what better time to test the build, which is, I think, done. So this being my first video, I should probably do like a bit of introduction. Hi!
Hi!
This is my 1974 Piaggio Ciao that I've been rebuilding. Now I need to take my time considering I have like 2 horsepower on a good day. It's got no rear suspension at all. Like the only thing you get is this in your seat. Essentially it's just a bicycle with a couple of springs here as front suspension, drum brakes front and rear, and a tiny engine. Here it is. This is the cylinder head sandwiched between the frame rails. I love this. It's so dumb. You can see the cooling fan spin there. It's air cooled. One thing about this moped that I just love so much is the weight distribution. Like it's so whack. You can just wait. Ooh. The reason why I created this channel, I had a vision in mind when I got this moped, and it was to use it for some touring and record it to make, videos. That was the main bit, and I forgot. What a strong start for a YouTube channel. Whatever, back to the video. Slightly modify it, not too much, keep it inconspicuous. Walking around it, nothing really seems out of the ordinary. The untrained eye could be like, oh, it's just a stock Ciao. This, for me, is enough. This is enough speed, this is enough, acceleration capabilities, but it is not enough comfort.
No rear suspension.
I thought I was tough when I first got it, and I was like, yeah, I can tour with no rear suspension, which is fine if you have, an old Harley or something like that, because those have real chunky tires on them, and you can underinflate them, so it kind of works as rear suspension. And as you can kind of see, this thing has 2-inch tires on 17-inch rims. And when I say touring, I mean like adventure bike touring, like going off-road on, roads like this, exploring and stuff, and make sick montages.
That's quite big.
Nope, no, chill out, chill. Like, it's literally this close to being perfect for what I want it to do. But I like my nuts, I mean, they don't get much use, but should I need them, I am a little bit salty having to sell this because I really thought I was tough enough, but I'm not. I like having a functional back. There is a later Piaggio moped, the C, which is much better for what I want to do, so I think I'm gonna look for one of those. Oh, look at the view though. Oh, it's still winter, so it's still very much gray and brown, but it's not too bad. But nonetheless, this build is done. I'm really happy about how it turned out, and I think I'm going to do something similar, if not identical, because it works, for the next moped, and I hope I'll be able to make a lot of cool videos for anybody who wants to watch. So yeah, thank you for staying here for the duration of this real messy first video. I'm going to leave stuff in the description, which is just my Instagram. Thank you again for staying here for the whole duration of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. You know what? I think this is a great place to take the pictures for the ad.